It is that time again. Up we go. Hour later. Two hours down. Got the wiring out. Carbs out. Working my way down it. Front end's about to come off next. Kickstand, and then get the engine up onto a different stand I have and peel it out of the frame. It's about 30 more minutes, 2.5 hours into this. And I have to take the kickstand off. And then I'll put it up on another stand to take the frame off the engine. And 3.5 hours later. That's how I take the engine out of my bike by myself. It's a little bit of a pain and extra steps, but I've done it more than once, obviously. Now I get to rip this top end off, which I've done more than once this year. And I'm going to find out why this thing is blowing head gaskets.